Hey guys, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here in Hollywood. I have a new video for you. I've been coaching for a really long time, and over the years I keep refining the things that I'm giving you that's going to really help you sing better, develop better vocal technique. And so what we're going to talk about today in this video is how to eliminate vocal strain. Now, you are straining because you're pushing, and you are pushing because somewhere in what you're doing, you've cut off your air. You don't have enough air. Your vocal posture is out of place, meaning that your voice box, your larynx, has moved into a place there we don't want it to be. And so what we want to do is start to undo all of that. We want to retrain your body. A lot of times, I need you to understand this, you're not singing well because of habits that you have developed over years or, since yesterday, whatever it might be. They're habits that you've developed. So what I am doing is having you undo some of those habits that have been restricting you. And that's what we're going to do a little bit with this one. We're going to start with something really simple that you all do probably, which is a lip trill. Now, some of you may have trouble with this one even, but you'll start to understand why. If you've been falling back in your throat, you probably can't even get it to start. You can't do it well. So all I want you to do is just place your hands, place them here. And just you can feel when you push up, then you're starting from here. You're not back in your throat. You're getting a really easy place to begin to start doing this exercise. Then what I'm going to have you do is think this. You're going to think starting here, and you're bringing the notes down. Now, understand what I'm giving you here is giving you this kind of relaxation that you're going to feel in your body. You will apply it to everything else that you're doing. And over time, as we keep training with everything that I'm giving you, you're going to see that you will eliminate vocal strain. So let's just do a little bit of the trill, and I'll add in some things for you to understand. Okay. Okay, so what you're seeing there, you see I'm not doing anything, right? I'm pretty relaxed. Now, as I start to go higher, that's when I might start to freak out a little bit and want to start to push. We're going to reverse that. Right there, before the higher notes, I know where they're coming, but I'm letting go. I'm not starting to push into there, I'm letting go. Now, again, this will take a while for you guys, but you see there's no strain there. So I'm starting here, but I want you to hear before the higher notes what I do. Because you hear that release, and I went down. Now, of course, there are other elements that you will add to this, but the first thing that I want you to do is just start to feel the ease of that. All I was doing was hearing where I was, because I want you to do that too. This is part of developing that internal hearing there, down easily. But the other big thing was, and what helps me to not strain, is to not push into it, but to let go before the higher notes and bring them down. No strain. All right. Use this, guys, and I hope this helps you. Please share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions, and there will be more for you. Okay, see you soon.